I'm Nikos Mourtos. I'm professor of aerospace engineering and department chair of aerospace engineering. We are in the business of teaching the next generation some very complex engineering skills. Just like the design of any other engineering product, you need to take measurements along the way and know how well we're doing this job of teaching and learning. And rubrics provide an accurate measurement of these complex skills. So a rubric typically needs to describe not only the best behavior that gets you the top score, but also all the other behaviors all the way down to 0. The students should actually get the rubrics at the same time that they get an assignment, so that they know how this assignment will be graded. But more importantly, it's not a matter of, figuring out what score you're going to get. The rubrics highlight the performance skills that the students need to exhibit in order to get the high score. So it's very easy to import rubrics in my course cell, and then when I open up an assignment to grade, then I can pull up the rubric and it's right next to the assignment, and so it makes it very easy for me. I don't have to memorize the criteria against which I'm grading the paper. They're right there, and I can tell as I'm reading the student paper whether this is a 5, this is a 4, a 3, or whatever. If I don't have rubrics, then I can read one paper, I can like it, and I can give a high score, and I read another paper which the student may say similar things, but because of the way they say them, I may not like it and give them a lower score. If you have rubrics, actually, it kind of forces you to be more subjective and fair in your grading. I strongly recommend that faculty develop their own rubrics, and it may take some time initially to sit down and think about the different levels of performance the students need to exhibit, but the upfront investment pays dividends later on because it makes grading a lot easier, so you save a lot more time. I would strongly encourage faculty to at least look around and see what's available, and they may find rubrics ready to use, especially for soft skills like communication skills, team skills. But I would also encourage them to develop their own, for their particular, subject area.